Hey Milk Riders, it's time for some more VGC. So again, this week testing out this this pledge team with Hisuian Decidueye, which hopefully we can see some power from it today. Again, the team creator is linked in the description below. As always, their Twitter, the tweet about the team where it shows the rental code, and they also have a team page in case you want to throw it in a showdown. So very fun team. It looks like we're going against Dragonite, String Cheese, Sneasler, King Gambit, Paldean, Tauros, the Water One, and Rilla. So, we could have Terrain Wars. Decidueye does have triple arrows, so, not too bad. Mayhaps this is a Decidueye game. Leading Primarina, Meowscarada kinda feels bad, but I think we're gonna go for it. And then I think we just go Indeedee and Decidueye. Try and see if we can, control the terrain. Sneasler could be pretty fun, but I don't really want to do a Sneasler mirror. And then Sylveon kind of feels bad with the Golden Go and King Gambit, so we don't get to see Power Sylveon this game, but we'll hopefully get hopefully get 5 battles in today since it is the end of the week. Oh, they've got a Meowscarada there. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there's Golden Go and Dragonite. Primarina's Terra Steel. Meowscarada is Sash, so we can stay alive. We may threaten them. You think their Golden Go maybe protects while Dragonite attacks? We can double into String Cheese. Okay, they're gonna Terra. Mayhaps they're String Cheese, Terra Dragon, Terra Steel. Okay, they're going for a big Make It Rain. Also getting rid of the Dark Weakness. Oh, that's fast. Okay, but Dragonite didn't go for Extreme Speed. Special attack drop. Okay, we're gonna at least get the pledges going. Okay. And there's the swamp. Slows him down a little bit, and okay. Go Moonblast here. Indeedee, Decidueye. We could protect to try and stall out a turn and let Primarina go down. Okay. That's not too bad. Now, if Dragonite attacks into Meowscarada, this isn't too bad of a play. There's Rilla. So there's Grassy Terrain for recovery. There's Protect going. Fingers crossed, Dragonite attacks the Meowscarada. They didn't. Okay. Scale Shot. They did. They did. Okay. Now let's see. We could have Indeedee swap in. And knock off the Dragonite. No priority moves. So Dragonite, a Tailwind, Scale Shot. It's probably a loaded dice. If they swap out Rilla, shout out to them. Okay, Protect. I wonder if they just went for a Grassy Fight and Indeedee. maybe a wood hammer into it. Yeah, grassy glide. Maxing Mioscrata, that's fine. Not too bad. Okay, I think we're gonna bring out Primarina. We're gonna go Expanding Force, and then, yeah, we're Expanding Force. They could bring in their King Gambit. Expanding Force, Hyper Voice. Dragonite just protected. I'm gonna swap out Rilla. Okay, into Sneasler. Okay, they went for the double protect. We might be okay. This Expanding Force should bring Sneasler down to Sash. And then we'll get this Hyper Voice off. And then they've got Terrain Control and Golden Go in the back. We have Decidueye. Can we double protect this turn? No. I cannot. Tailwind's gone. Swamp is gone. How fast is Decidueye? Decidueye is, yeah, pretty boosting speed. Okay. Decidueye is what? Terra Fire? Okay. That's not bad. I wonder if we Terra Blast, Terra Fire that. And protect here. Okay. We'll get this tower going. If Indeedee can live and make it rain. And can knock out this Golden Goat, that'd be pretty good. Thing is, they could fake out our Indeedee, right? But mayhaps they just Grassy Glide into Primarina. Which is why we're going for the protect here. Ah, yeah, they faked out there. Okay, make it rain. They'll be at -1. Okay. There's that. I think we just gotta go for the Terra Blast. And we'll go for the double protect. We need Primarina. Yeah, Primarina wasn't. Primarina's gonna go down anyway. Okay, this is. Let's see your cards. Let's see. Golden Go is at -2. Decidueye is. It's just I don't think we can do much to the Rilla. There's no reason to haze. I don't think triple arrows hits both wands. It would be cool if they did. But yeah, I guess we see this. Just to make it rain there faster. -2, no crits. That still does a lot. So we at least knock out that, you know. That was a crit. Turn, okay. Protect, get a little bit of health back. U-turn, grassy glide. Fake out. It's the last turn of grassy terrain. Guess we see how much a triple arrows does, but Rilla is pretty bulky. We are faster. Ah, yeah. It could, triple arrows could make the Rilla flinch. And I guess that's what we gotta see. The defense drop? Yeah. Ah, so close, so close, you know? Not too bad, not too bad. Would it have been better if we brought Sneasler? Terra Grass wouldn't have helped being Sneasler. Maybe if we would have gone Terra Fire and the Decidueye? We'd be taking less from... But they could have had a high horsepower and just used that instead. So if instead of the defense drop, we got the flinch, that would have been that. So that was super close. That was super close. We had Swamp go off, you know. Our opponent did great, you know, controlling the terrain. Yeah, the team put in work. I think we brought a good 4. Was it the best 4? Maybe not. Maybe Sylveon late game would have done more than Decidueye, but you know, I'll take it. Close game. Rabombi. My wife would love to see it. There's Rabombi and Primarina. Ah, she'd be sold on this team. Gothitelle, Zombie Bear, Ensign, and String Cheese. Gothitelle could have the Shadow Tag, but we're kind of okay, you know, chilling with these two. I do like Indeedee. Expanding Force does a good amount of damage. Do you want to go to Decidueye? The Sneasler doesn't have any way to attack Golden Go, right? Well, the acrobatics. What is Sylveon's Terra? Terra Ghost. Yeah, I think we have to go to Decidueye. I'm hoping they lead Golden Go, because then we can get rid of that. Perhaps most people lead Golden Go against this team. I'm not too sure, but I wonder why. Well, I mean, I guess the Terra Ghost on Sylveon is to boost up the Shadow Ball damage. What are choice specs? I feel like that's... And Golden Go the teeny! Okay. So this, I don't think Rabombi is the one who protects. So I think we're just gonna pledge up over there. I don't think we need a Terra just yet. But yeah, I don't think Rabombi protects. They're gonna Terra early on. Is it Golden Go? It is. Terra Steel. Okay. Which means we're chilling with Decidueye in the back. Okay, yeah, there's the Tailwind. So we're gonna big make it rain off right now. Okay, we're both living. Enough to get the swamp going. Is Rabombi actually that fast? We didn't knock out a Rabombi, but we've knocked out so many other things. Bring in We'll bring Decidueye right now, actually. I think Decidueye should be fast. Actually, Indeedee is faster. Okay. Let's go Indeedee. We'll get Expanding Force off. Expanding Force, and then we'll go for the knockoff here in case if they swap in. So let's fit these. So specs. We get this Expanding Force off. Ugh. But Golden Go is at -1. So Meowscarada probably goes down right now. That's okay. So make it rain. You're at -2 now. Jeez. Okay. Okay, Golden Go. We could chill out. Okay, so there's Ensign. Attack drop, that's fun. They can't fake us out. I think we're just gonna have Terra, Fire, Terra, Blast, and then we'll go for the triple arrows right here. Ensign can't fake out either of us since we are in Psychic Terrain. Golden Go is at -2. May swap out. Expanding Force wouldn't hit the Ensign, so we figure we might as well just, yeah. Might as well go for the Terra Fire, Terra Blast. There's Ursaluna, so you know, this would be a decent amount to that. And we know Indeedee is faster than Golden Go in the swamp. It's specs, so no protect. So we're gonna knock out one of these. Yeah, there's fake out. Maybe he was thinking we are a flying type. There's triple arrows in here. Beautiful. Yeah, because I think are we ghost fighting? Oh, we're grass fighting. We're not flying. We'll just go for the Terrifier on that. And we'll go for the Leaf Blade here. Let's see. Yeah. The swamp was still up, I think. I should have probably taken a look. I was too busy looking at the typing of this guy to see if the swamp was still up. Okay, you protect, that's okay. Okay, beautiful. We're not gonna let Golden Go. This is you guys. Golden Primarina live. This Golden Go is crazy. Golden Go, the teeny but big power. I see you. Yeah, he did a lot. He was doing a lot, but you know, we had control of the terrain. Big chillin' is a swamp over. Talon's gone, but swamp's also gone. So I think if we just Expanding Force and we'll just Leaf Blade it. Whew. Okay, you know, we gotta see power of Decidueye. Should we brought Sneasler? Mayhaps, but Decidueye's putting in work. Decidueye triple arrows doesn't lower our defense like close combat does for Sneasler. And our defense is 75. Special defense is 100. Sneasler. Let's take a look at Sneasler's stats real quick. Sneasler has 60 defense, 85. And, you know, Caesar has a higher attack, but this is where I can get those crits. This is where I can hopefully get those crits, but not too bad. Very solid 4. Shout out Primarina, you know, living and then living the Golden Go turn 1 attack, and, you know, Quick Sash coming in clutch. Wins Hisuian Typhlosion Caesar. Hisuian Samurai. Scizor and Torkoal. Can there be the Hisuian Typhlosion, Hisuian Samurai, and Hisuian Decidueye on the field at the same time? Can it happen? Okay. I think we go these two. They go Tailwind, you know. If they go Tailwind Eruption, hopefully Primarina lives. Yoshkara will be living. I do think we want Indeedee. We can, you know, terrain, control the terrain. And let's do it. If they bring both the Hisuian Mons, maybe we go Sylveon. Maybe we go Sylveon. Scizor won't be able to bullet punch us, so I think we'll go that. You know, Decidueye had his time to shine. Let's see if we can say that for Sylveon. There's not a Golden Go in this team. Not a King Gambit. No Terrain Wars. There's Scizor, but again, yeah, bullet punch. Yeah. Doesn't exist in Psychic Terrain. Okay. Oh, and Sneaser's a Hisuian one. Okay, well, sorry. Okay. Sneaser's fast here. I don't know how fast Samurott is. We may want to Terror right now. Which I feel kind of okay to. Maybe double into the Samurott. We're gonna get an early going Terra up. I usually don't care to, but I don't want to get hit with like a close combat, bring this down to Sash, and then Samurott going for, I don't know, something crazy. Should have just gone into the Sneasler. Ah, that's okay. Good protect over there. Sneasler is going for... Right on Dire Claws. Super effective on the Meowscarada. Okay. You know, that's fine. Bring in Indeedee. And we are going to Trick Room. They have a Torkoal, right? Okay. Just Expanding Force. And Flower Trick this. Expanding Force doesn't hit the Samurott. We can't Terra Blast, Terra Fire. We can't Terra Fire, Terra Blast. There's something on the back. Okay. This Whimsicott. So Whimsicott is sashed. Fireclaw. Brings us down to Sash. Okay. No status. Beautiful. Expanding Force. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing that's got smashed. Okay, Meowscarada is faster than Sneasler. Okay. In the Trick Room. And we'll knock off here. They can't Terra that. I guess it just depends on how fast their Typhlosion is. They're gonna Terra, so probably Terra Fire. If Indeedee can live this, get Trick Room up for Sylveon, we mayhaps be okay. Okay, there's the coaching. Oh, he dropped. Oh, it's Charcoal. Okay. Okay. So with this, we're gonna expand Force here, and I think we're gonna protect. Sylveon's got... Yeah, because Indeed is the slowest thing out here. Okay, well, Hisuian Samurot's actually the slowest thing out here. Indeed should knock out the Sneasler with this. That doesn't hit Samurott, that's okay. Beautiful. And then, yeah, the only reason we went for... since... Hisuian Typhlosion was, since we didn't know the 4 months and there wasn't Torkoal, that's why, we were able to set up Trick Room. There's the Aqua Cutter over there. Meowscarada's gone, that's okay, we got Sylveon on the back, and honestly with Sylveon we could just go for, you know, yeah, Hyper Beam or something. Live Beam, that does a good amount. Yeah, let's just, you know, let's launch off a Hyper Beam. And the Terra Blast isn't gonna be able to knock out. Let's see if we have this Hyper Beam. What the heck, Sylveon? Are you really gonna let Indeedee do this? Sylveon, I want to see a Hyper Beam. Let's go! Overkill. We could just Hyper Beam, but we knew Indeedee was gonna get the knockout for it. Whew. Not bad. Okay. You know, Sylveon, you've been chilling on the bench, but you hit that Hyper Beam. You hit that second Hyper Beam, and whew. Shout out to you. Good for. Sucks that we didn't get the pledge up, but you know, sometimes when that happens, you gotta adjust. You gotta adjust. We couldn't get the swamp up, so once we verify no Torkoal, Trick Room. Very solid, very solid. Our opponent did bring all Hisuian Mons, so mayhaps we should have brought Decidueye, you know, had Hisuian Samurott, Hisuian Typhlosion, Sneasler, and Decidueye on the field. Well, we can't have all of them on the field at one time. I could have brought my Sneasler, so we could have the 4 Hisuian Mons on the field, but, whew. Oh, not the Dozo Sushi. Okay. Shrimp Cheese, P2, Bear, and Dragonite. We have Haze on Decidueye. We're gonna bring the Decidueye. Don't really want to swamp them. I want to make sure we force the Terra. Here's Scarlet. One Decidueye in the back. Forest, Terra, Steel. You know, I'm not opposed to like these two. Decidueye. And then also Meowscarada. Yeah. This one's gonna be tough. This is gonna be a tough one. I don't like facing Dozo. Goal here is to hopefully try not to let him set up Trick Room, but also keep Decidueye okay so we can haze the Dozo. Leading Decidueye would have been pretty cool, because we could have had it go up against, you know, the P2, the Golden Go, but we need to keep it safe for the haze. Yeah, there's the P2 Golden Go. So, use her fire, attack boost. Steel, and then we just go for a Hyper Voice, maybe? Okay. They don't tear either of the Mons. Do we think they have sushi in the back, though? Dozo sushi? To make it rain. So their life orb. I'm gonna be in prison going. See what P2. Come for a Thunderbolt. Okay. That's fine. The only thing is, I think Indeedee goes down this turn. Both might go down this turn. Okay. Okay, Golden Go protects. What if P2 is gonna attack into? Yeah, P2 can get Trick Room. I wonder if they're gonna attack into the Indeedee. Okay. That's okay. I guess let's go into Decidueye because then they mayhaps not Terra. We know they're Life Orb. Because we can triple arrows this, and then we could just go for the Moonblast over here. Because of Scrappy, we're able to hit Golden Go with triple arrows. Okay, Pichu protects. We're just gonna go down. Actually, no. Because we're hitting to protect, so... Actually, we're gonna protect here. We're gonna protect, we're gonna go for the Hyper Voice. P2 swaps, yeah, this is exactly why I didn't want Decidueye. Maybe we should have just gone for the Haze now. Okay. All the stat boosts. There's the Earthquake. Okay. With Meowscarada we can. That's fine. I don't know about this one. So Meowscarada will live one attack. In Haze Flower Trick, they made Terra. They're gonna Terra. Terra Dragon. Terra Fairy. Terra Flying. Terra Blast onto the Meowscarada. Oh. I guess we should have gone for a Haze. Oh, I guess we should have gone for the Haze that turn, thinking that they were going to swap in. Gone for the Haze Hyper Voice. Clear Amulet Dozo. Yeah, Scrabble. Been good working with ya. Meowscarada is faster than, it's faster than the +2 Dozo. I don't know this Meowscarada was that fast, but... Oh, Terraflying Dozo. Would Sylveon have been better as a lead instead of Primarina? We could have, I mean, Terra Ghost isn't gonna do... I mean, I guess Mayhaps, we could Shadow Ball the Golden Go and get rid of that, or just Terra Ghost Hyper Voice, but I still feel like we take a lot of damage. Probably should have looked at the team and figured this P2... I don't know, because they had Bear, like Ursaluna. So yeah, they probably don't want to trick them. We could have probably just gone for a Terra Fire, Terra Blast into the Golden Go, try to knock that out, and yeah. Oh, definitely things to think about if there was going to be a game 2, but you know, cheated our opponent. What a battle. We tried. A lone Dozo. Lola Nitros Rilla Bulk is kind of scary. Dozo Sneasler and King Gambit. You can't have weather control because of Ninetales. We're gonna go Sneasler and DD. We could go Sneasler. Do we just want to go swamp? We got like Indeedee in the back though. You know what? Let's go Sylveon. We'll go here and... For Volk, I think we have to go Primarina. So the other two are physical attackers, and I would prefer not to be burned. No reason to really haze. I mean, I guess we could haze against the Volk, but I feel like Decidueye is gonna take a lot of damage. Unless if we went Terra Fire. But we may have to Terra... actually, I guess we could have done that. Go Terra Fire and Indeedee. Yeah, Grass Trina is up. I think we swap out Sneasel right here. We could Dire Claw something. 80. We could Acrobatics this and swap into Indeedee. Volk may be going for a Quiver Dance. Or maybe fake out Quiver Dance. Which Quiver Dance I think boosts the special attack, special defense, and speed. So getting this physical hit will be pretty good. I don't think it boosts the physical defense. These are Psychic Seeds, so we will get the special defense boost. Right here it'll proc with the Psychic Terrain going up. Also, Unburden will kick in and we will be super fast. And Acrobatics will be doing double damage because we have no health item. Do not Terra your Volk. Okay, that's Rilla. That's okay. Terra Fire. Not bad. Ooh, that doesn't even get the knockout. Okay, there's a Quiver Dance. I could go for the Heat Wave, yeah. Okay, specials. High horsepower. That did a lot. That did a lot. If we bring in Primarina... well, we don't want to go Terra Steel. We could protect Trick Room. We could also just go for a Hyper Voice. And Trick Room for future. Okay, Rilla swaps. It's fine. We want to do terrain shenanigans. There's King Gambit. Protect. Okay, we'll get a free Trick Room up. They will be able to be going for Sucker Punches. And I don't really like that. Everybody says a good amount. We could Terra Fire, Terra Blast a King Gambit. And Sucker Punch isn't super effective. And if they swap in Rilla... well, I don't think they'd want to swap in Rilla for Volk. Alright, so if we just go for the Hyper Voice, Terra Fire, Terra Blast. Yeah, Terra Fire indeed is kinda fire. Kinda hype. Let's see. Can it knock out this King Gambit? This is a very pivotal turn. They could swap out their Volk because it has a speed boost. It just protected. It has that Quiver Dance speed boost, so it's going to be the slowest thing going. It'll be the last thing going in Trick Room. But if they swap in Rilla, was like, if they swap in Rilla, they lose that. They don't have terrain control right now. Huh. Who do we have in the back again? Sylvia? Okay. I think what we do here is they could fake out, right? Is we're gonna protect Primarina. And we're swapping Sylvia. If they fake out attack the NDD, so be it. But getting Psychic Terrain up is going to be pretty important. Grassy Glide. Beautiful. And King Gambit is going for... That's fine. That's fine. We get terrain control. Thank you, Sylveon. Thank you. That's okay. That's Life Orb King Gambit for you. We get terrain control. They could swap in whatever their last mon is. Second terrain is up. And regardless. How many turns of triple? 2. And who do they have? Okay. King Gambit may protect. Yeah, they swap out. They want that terrain control. They want to be able to sneeze her. Okay. Does Sneasler have Focus Sash? Doesn't even matter. We cannot tell. Because what about King Gambit? They go for the fake out. Okay. Last turn of Trick Room though. Oh, this one's so close. I don't know if they swap out their King Gambit. Indeedee can't do this. I'm so sorry, Indeedee. I'm so sorry. We tried. We tried. I guess should we have let... I don't know. We wanted terrain control. We can't protect. How's our HP? So we can't even expand force to hit blue. Good terrain control from our opponent. Good terrain control. Now they have, you know, they got their Grassy Seed boosting their defense. Yeah, with that it's just, yeah, fake out, we can protect, and then... Did I clock? Sleep? Oh no, okay. Well, no status for that, that's okay. Damn. You know, Indeedee, you tried. You tried. Team was super fun. I mean, today went 2-3, but you know, Wednesday's video was pretty good, 3-1. So, you know, I'll take that 2-3, but then 3-1. So 5-4, going pretty even with the team. Not too bad. Close battles, like most of our losses. I think that was probably, I don't want to say the worst loss, but the one that wasn't the closest. But the team is super fun. Swamp isn't an archetype that you see a whole lot. A lot of the pledge moves you don't see. So it was fun testing them out. I don't know what there's like, what, 3 other? There's Swamp, Rainbow, and I think something else, but I'm not too sure what. But again, if you want to try out the team, the information for the team creator is in the description below, as always. Rainbow, Marsh, Grass and Fire does some other thing. I'm not too sure. Damage every... like sets up, I don't know, lava, fire, something like that. But anyway, again, go check out the team creator. Very, very fun team. But it's gonna be it for today. I think this weekend is LAIC, so hopefully maybe some rentals come out, or I think there was like a special event last weekend that we could take a look at for battles for next week. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the battles, be sure to like, and we will see y'all next week. Yeah, with some other team to test. But until then, be cozy.